JIMARI. You remember the time when we were kids, okay? You follow me everywhere I go, okay? Little cookies and biscuits. We happily share. I like you. This is WANJOP. WANJOP, my guy. What's up, bro? My guy. JIMARI. Dance now, it's that time. JIMARI. I like you, JIMARI. One bar, also again here. One bar, my God. One bar, we'll see you. One bar, my God. It's a good dance. One bar is here. Yo, what's up, guys? Hello, everyone. Meghalaya, Northeast, Shillong people. Welcome back, everyone. Your African boys back again. Yeah, today I brought my new friends to react with me. They are going also to see the talent of Khasi people. Yeah, I want you guys to tell the truth, honest truth about the song and their videos.
This day is only talking about Meghalaya.
Yes, Meghalaya. Say Meghalaya. Yeah. Next
only
time
talking about
Meghalaya. Yeah, we are going to speak about Meghalaya. Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah. So the suggested video here is called JIMARI. Fananin, the singer is WANJOP. WANJOP is my friend, man. Yeah, this guy is my friend.
Yeah.
He's very kind person. Yeah, he's very kind person. And KYNNPHAM. We have KYNNPHAM before BANDIT. Yeah, those are the three musicians here. So myself, gabsgabitv from South Sudan. Welcome.
My name is Abdullah from Sudan.
What's up, guys? My name is Mayas Medizari. I'm from Sudan.
Yeah, did you get something? Mayas Medizari from Sudan. You can call him Mayas. This is Mayas.
And
this is Mohammed. He's also a rapper, guys, but he rap in Arabic. Arabic. We speak Arabic. You know Arabic? Salam alaikum. Yo, love from Africa, guys. Peace. Love to Shillong, guys. Let's start. JIMARI. WANJOP. KYNNPHAM and before BANDIT.
Kính màu thì mơ mình xóa bờ nắng ya bên mai just kurra sang lan bên ngang ha chân mắt thì kita bayat bada yes nati and
now I'm calling for you. Okay. Now JIMARI means I really like you, or I like you. That is the meaning of JIMARI. And this guy is explaining the story of their love when they are young. When they are young from the school, that they were so kids. And now he liked the girl.
Talking about the story.
The story. When this is the love story. Before they were just friends when they are kids, and now he liked the girl. JIMARI. Let's You remember the time when we were kids, okay? You follow me everywhere I go, okay? Little cookies and biscuits. We happily share. I like you. This is WANJOP. WANJOP, my guy. What's up, bro? My guy. JIMARI. Who is this guy, right? They have how many musicians here? WANJOP, KYNNPHAM. Maybe this is KYNNPHAM. I don't know. Come back to me. Yes, come back to me. Like we used to be when we are in the kindergarten, falling for you. You find a place for your heart. Your beauty grow with every passing day. Oh my God.
We're going to place together.
Oh. dropped me from college in Shillong. Dance now, it's that time. Jimari, Jimari, I like you, Jimari. Jimari. One bar, also again here. One bar, my God. One bar, we'll see you. One bar, my God. It's a good dance. One bar is here. One bar, you know. Yeah, it's a good rapper. It's a good dance.
น้องที่เพชรปล่อยงานน้ำปรีเอ็นดาดิบสูงดักสายมาเรเป็นไงชับพี่วันละกิจิงบางทีนั่งตั้งอีรุตีให้ดูมาดีมาดีมาดีมาดีมาดีมาดีงานน้ำปรีกันบ้างพี่มอ
Do you remember when we were young? Okay? Tell you about Formula. Now that I am a man, my heart is smartly smarting by you. Oh, they are love. Jimari, Jimari, Mari, Mari, Jimari, 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 Mari, Mari. Wow. Thank you for your love and support.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm so happy. You know why?
Yeah,
Because
so good
I'm singing my favorite musician here.
Yeah.
One bar. Chris Brown, Khasi Chris Brown, the Chris Brown Khasi of Shillong is one bar. If you want to know Chris Brown, Indian Chris Brown.
Yeah.
Indian Chris Brown is Indian Chris Brown is one bar.
Yeah, one bar.
It's good in dancing. It's good in singing.
Yeah.
See now we reacted to so many videos.
Yeah, even
It's also dancing there.
Yeah, dancing. Yeah,
It's dancing in that song,
Yeah,
right?
it's so nice.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
so nice.
The music is nice. It's a good story.
Yeah, good story, good story.
Yeah.
Love story.
Love story. Yeah. It's
Yeah,
a love
love
story.
story.
Like how they grew when they are kids,
Yeah.
from the school to the college to the work.
She's trouble.
It's my story also.
Yeah, most of the stories happen like that. Most of the
Yeah.
love story, yeah, it's like this.
This is my story.
Yeah, it's a nice story and nice video. Video is nice. The dance is lit. As long as one bar is there, everything is
There.
Superman.
Yeah.
Love from Africa. Make sure subscribe, like, guys.
Share.
Comment.
Love you.